So guys, very good afternoon and welcome to this class of corporate laws for your ACCA and BCom honors accounting which you are doing. The code of this paper is 2104 and we will be studying the corporate laws. And you already have a background of studying law in your first year itself. So I expect a lot of things from your side too, a lot of inputs from your side, so that I hope you will be able to, tell me about what actually law is, what you have studied in your BCom honors, and accordingly we will frame the base. So today's class is just an introductory class. You might have gone through the um, the course plan which I have already shared in your course material in your teams itself. So you might have gone through it. If you have not gone through, you can go through that. Though I'll be sharing it and showing it to you over here, and we will be discussing certain things about that too. So let us start with your introduction, because even I do not know you. You also do not know me. So let us first of all start the introduction. So sufficiently good number of people have joined the class now. So should we start? So I will just take the names of all of you one by one, and this will be counted as an attendance also. And along with that, I will just ask you two, three things about yourself, that where you are now at present, means where do you belong to, where is your house, what your father does, and what is your aspiration, what you want to do in your life, and more importantly, what is your expectations from this class. Okay, so this is what you have to answer, all of you. So let us start with Astha Khandelwal. Yeah, Astha Khandelwal, I think why this PGMC student? Astha, are
Uh,
you a
so
PGMC
actually,
student?
actually, initially, for 2 days I was in BGMC, so my registration number is of BGMC.
So, but you are with the BCom honors itself.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine, no problem. It's okay. So let's start from you only. So Astha, please tell us about all these three questions which I have asked, so that we can have some of the ice breaking should happen between us, so that we can take this subject in a better way in the near future, so that you will be able to learn in a better way. Yeah, Asta, please tell.
So I am from Jaipur, and so can you repeat the questions? What did you ask?
No problem, it is for everyone now. So you have to tell me four things. Number one is what your father does. Your name, we all know, it's written over here, and everyone knows about it, and even I'm able to see it, but I'm not able to see your face, so there is no name meaning of taking the name, because I will not be able to recognize. And if you can come online, means with your video, all of you, with your video over here, it will be great. At least whenever you are giving your introduction, you should come up with your video, so that this gives you also a confidence and me also a recognition that who is who. So that will be very good. So four questions you have to, means four things you have to tell. Number one is what your father does and where do you belong to, what your father does, and what is your future aspiration, what you want to be in future, means what have you planned anything for yourself, or whatever. And last thing is, and most important is, that what are your expectations out of this course, which of this corporate laws which we will be studying. So Asta, please continue.
So I am from Jaipur. My father is a businessman. He has a business of iron and steel,
Great.
and uh, I want to do ACCA and be a part of the corporate world.
Mhm. What else? Means what? Why you want to be a part of the corporate world?
Because I have a keen interest in accounts and finance. Uh, I love doing. I love studying about accounts and finance. Therefore,
Okay, so I hope you want to earn some money also out of it.
yes.
That's why people actually join corporate world, and that's why we are studying. So great. And what is your expectation out of this class of corporate laws, which you'll be studying?
So to know about the different laws and understand deeply what this subject is all about, and to know how does this law works.
Okay, fine. So thank you, Astha. So let's go to Abhigyan Gupta.
Hello.
Hiya, Abhigyan, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Abhigyan. I'm
Can
from.
you, if you can switch on your video, if you are comfortable in putting it on.
Sir, from next class onwards, I will.
Okay, क्या वो बाल वाल बने हुए नहीं है ऐसा?
नहीं सर, बहुत
दाढ़ी
शादी
बड़ी
से.
हुई है, ब्रश नहीं किया? यहाँ
नहीं
तक स्मेल नहीं आएगी.
नहीं.
No problem, no problem. Carry on.
Yeah, sir. Sir, I'm from Noida, and my
Okay.
father is a senior manager in one of the software companies, in the top
Okay.
software companies.
Mm-hmm.
Sir. Hello.
Yeah, continue.
Sir, I wanted to I want to join the ACC community, and I want to work for the corporate because mainly because it's like it's the most earning, I think. One can earn a lot in this and have keen interest in accounting and auditing and all that.
Okay. So what is your expectation out of this class of corporate laws, which I will be teaching you?
Sir, I think I will understand more about the companies, how they work, what rules they have to follow, and all that things, I think.
Fine. Thank you. Aditya Shyamjit. Yeah, Aditya. Fine. Come on. Yeah. Is Aditya there? Aditya. Okay. There is no Aditya. Ankit. Ankit. Fine.
Yes,
so
sir.
this is actually counting for your attendance also. Okay, Ankit. Yeah, your photo is good visible. At least your photo is there. Remaining people have not even included their photographs. So continue, Ankit.
Yes, sir. I currently live in Pilani.
Sorry?
Pilani.
Okay, great place. Great educational place, rather, I say.
Yeah. Basically known from BITS Pilani.
Of course.
And my father works as an deputy commandant in CRPF.
Okay, so he is presently posted at Pilani only, or you born and brought up in Pilani?
No, sir. Presently posted in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal.
Okay, fine. So what do you want to be in your life?
Chartered accountant.
Great. And what is your expectation from this class?
In this class, sir, basically, I want to know more about the company and what laws they need to follow to work.
Okay, fine, Ankit. Thank you. So Anshul Goswami.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, is my friend who is not able to attend this class right now.
Sorry?
Sir, Shahid Chauhan.
Ritik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell. Shubham, just hold for a moment. Yeah, Ritik, please tell.
Sir, actually, there is my friend. He is not able to join this class right now.
Who is your friend? What is his name?
Sir, Sahil Chauhan.
Sahil Chauhan, and I think Sahil might not be logging in from his official ID.
No, sir, not Sahil. It's Shahid.
Shahid, whosoever. Is Shahid logging in from his the official ID, I suppose?
Yes, sir. He's saying that he couldn't find your activity status, join the video. Right.
So he actually, what is his fee status? Actually, those who have.
Sir, he has joined other classes right now.
Sorry, other classes he is in?
Yes, sir. He was in other classes, but he is not able to join this one.
I can't help it out because I might not have received his email from your course coordinator. That's why, because whatever is being given to me, I have added all of them.
Sure, sir. I'll
So
tell him.
requesting you to just tell him to just talk to the course coordinator,
Sure.
and I will add him from here itself. So okay, if you can share his email ID with me.
Sure, sir. I'll do it. Just.
Sorry. Anyways, we can even take it afterwards, because the ideas which were given to me, I have included everyone. Right. So we were with the Anshul Goswami. Yeah. Ritik, can you please mute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anshul Goswami.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am from Kota, and
Okay.
and my father is a government employee.
Okay.
He works in railways.
Fine. So what do you want to be in your life?
Sir, I want to work in MNC.
In MNCs.
MNC.
Why don't
Yes,
you
sir.
want to work with government like your father? It's a safe job.
Sir,
Is it?
that's why I know about how much government employees have to work, and actually my father is in railways, so he have to work like at 12 o'clock in night. He has to work. That's why, sir.
Okay. Is it so? Being in government?
Sir, it's only in my father's department. Actually, it's only in railways that he has night shifts and all that.
Ha ha ha. Okay. So what do you want to? What do you aspire with this particular means? What do you want? I mean to say, what are your expectations out of this class?
Sir, I want to go in MNC, and I think corporate laws can help me in that.
Okay, that's great. That's rather true also. Fine.
Yes,
So,
sir.
anyways, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. This is now Ashutosh Maharshi. Ashutosh, can you please tell us about something?
Hello.
Hi, Ashutosh.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes,
I'm
Ashu,
from
please
Jaipur.
continue.
Hello.
Yeah, Ashutosh, please continue. Please tell.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from Jaipur, and my father is a businessman. And
Okay.
hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
My voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe some network issues. So you please, I can listen you clearly. You please continue.
Hello. Sir. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Let us take you afterwards,
Sir, your
Ashutosh.
voice is breakdown.
Okay, let us take you afterwards. Ashmit, can you please tell about yourself,
Hello.
Ashmit? Ashutosh, you mute yourself now. Afterwards, we will take you up.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So, Ashmit is there? Not there. Ayush Bothara. He is leaving now. I don't know why.
Hello.
So he has left also. Ashmit, you please tell about yourself.
Yes, my full name is Ashmit Charaya, and I am from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan.
Very good. गंगानगर तो पंजाबी बड़ी बोली जाती है भाई.
जी sir, I am a Punjabi.
Do you speak in Punjabi?
So you want me to speak in Punjabi?
Oh wow. So ਤੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਹੀ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਯਾਰ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਰ. ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਅਸਮਿਤ ਰਹੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਗੰਗਾਨਗਰ ਤੋਂ ਗੰਗਾਨਗਰ ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ.
ਔਰ ਪਾਪਾ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ?
ਫਾਦਰ ਦਾ ਕਲੋਥ ਮਰਚੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਸਰ.
ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ.
ਹੋਲਸੇਲ ਦਾ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਹੈ ਕੱਪੜਾ ਦਾ.
ਤੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਲਾਈਫ ਵਿੱਚ?
ਸਰ MBA ਕਰਨਾ ਦੀ ਸੋਚੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ MBA ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ
MBA ਕਿਉਂ
ਬਾਅਦ
ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ? ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ
ਸਰ
ਸੋਚੋ।
MBA ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰ, MBA ਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਪਾਪਾ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਹੀ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ।
ਅੱਛਾ, ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ।
ਹਾਂ ਸਰ।
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ACCA ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਬੈਠਾ ਕਾਕਾ? ਇਹ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ
ਸਰ ACCA ਤਾਂ ਸਰ ACCA ਦਾ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ ਸਰ, ਕਿ ਕਾਲਜ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਅਗਰ ACCA ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣੀ ਤਾਂ BCom ਪਾਸ ਲੈ ਲਓ, ਅਗਰ BCom ਆਨਰਸ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ACCA ਕੰਪਲਸਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ।
ਅੱਛਾ, ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਗੈਰ ACCA ਦਾ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਬੇਟਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਰਸ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਾ ਪੂਰਾ
ACCA ਵੀ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗਾ।
ਹਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟ, ਦਿਸ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਦ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਬੇਟਾ। ACCA ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੋ, ਤੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਵਧੀਆ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਬਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇਹੀ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰ, ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਈਟਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੂੰਗਾ ਸਰ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ। ਅਗਰ ਟਰਾਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ ਕरूंगा।
ਇਸ਼ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਾਲੀਆ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੈ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੈ।
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਭਾਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰਿਤਿਕ ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੈਗਾ। ਚੱਲ ਬੇਟਾ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਅਸ਼ਮਿਤ।
Okay sir.
Yeah, Ritik Bharadwaj, would you be able to tell us about what are your aspirations and
Good afternoon, sir.
Except bringing your friends and helping your friends, what else do you do? I am very proud of you, my dear, because as you are in, you also wanted your friends to be in, but as I have already written to you that this is a personal idea, I can't take it out.
Yes, sir. I've texted him right now. He's saying that he'll be joining us afterwards.
No, that is good, my dear. But
Yes.
I understand that you can also understand my problem.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
can't take him in because his ID is not the official ID, right? So please
Okay.
tell him to log in with his official ID. He will always be.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Ritik. Yeah, please continue with your introduction.
Sir, my name is Ritik Bharadwaj, and my currently hometown is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Very good.
And my father is currently working in Dubai as an administrative manager in Six Construct company. It's a construction company over there. He's working from 2000, since 2000.
Great.
And my current career would be like, I want to be a accounting person, a person who can do accounting in bigger firms and work as an accounting manager or accounting person over there. My most my main target is to be a accounting person for bigger firms and all. And I see this class as an opportunity to grasp more for corporate laws and more about corporate world.
Great. So we'll definitely try to be on your expectations.
Sure.
So now Ankit is in. Sorry, Ayush is in. He was having some network issues, as Ankit has just now told us on this chat. So let us see if we will be able to get his introduction. Yes, Ayush, are you there? Ankit, your friend is not there, my dear.
Sir, he is getting network issues. Aditya is there, sir.
Aditya, can we just have your intro?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, Aditya. Very good afternoon.
Yes, sir. I had another course at the same time. That's why I was not
parallelly going on.
So it was actually 11 to 12, but then it was extended for data analysis class.
But this is a compulsory class. You have to be here.
Yes, sir. That was recommended by the college actually. So.
Fine. So, yeah. So what do you want to be in your life?
So I'm looking to do CFA after completing ACCA.
Good. So CA after completing ACCA?
So CFA, Certified Financial Analyst.
Okay. CFA. Then don't do it from India. Do it from US.
Yes, I'm not doing it from India.
Because that is only the one which is good enough to just take you up in your career. Very good. And what are your expectations out of this class of corporate laws?
So I really like to do accounting and auditing, the auditing part in it. So that's what I'm planning to study through this course.
Excellent. So we will be interacting while we will be having this class up and on. Right. Thank you, Aditya, and thank you, Ankit, for introducing him and telling me that he is again available. So now we will over to Arpan Mishra. Arpan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Arpan, yeah, please. I hope we didn't had your introduction before.
No, sir.
Yeah,
I,
please,
I
can
have
you
a
please tell us
network issue,
about
sir.
yourself?
I'm from Jaipur, and my father is a businessman, and I want to become a CA, chartered accountant.
Okay.
And
So after doing ACCA, you want to become a chartered accountant, or along with this?
no, sir, ACC.
Okay, you want to become a ACCA. Fine. Great. Great. So what is your expectation out of this class?
So in this class, I want to get knowledge about company laws and how the company works.
Okay. Great. Good, good. So Ashutosh, sorry, Arpan is done with. We are done with Asmit also, Ritik also. Yeah, Ishpreet Paji, कित्थे तुसी?
सत श्री अकाल सर।
हाँ, सत श्री अकाल जी। कित्थे हो जरा शक्ल चुकल ते दिखा दियो यार।
सर कल तो दिखावांगा।
कल नू?
यस सर।
सारे कल कहंदे आ। चलो कोई नहीं।
हाँ जी
दसो अपने बारे थोड़ा जिहा सानू।
सो बेसिकली मैं चंडीगढ़ ਦਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹਾਂ। ਪਿਛਲੇ 4 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜੈਪੁਰ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੇ my father works as an AVP and COO in a healthcare venture of Yo Cycles.
अच्छा अच्छा, okay, fine. So what is your expectation out of this class? Ishpreet, what is your expectation?
So basically I want to work in a big corporate.
Okay.
At some role of finance.
Fine. So this will be this course will be telling you the legal financial part of the things,
sir.
right?
Yes sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. Excellent. Janvi Singh. Janvi Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Janvi, please tell us.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Janvi, as you know, and I'm from Jaipur only. And my
Wow.
father is currently working in Australia. So he's a professor in FNU. And my future aspiration is to explore in corporate world to understand it more. And in fact, I'm still in a position where I'm figuring out the things. I'm figuring out my opportunities. That what are the opportunities for me? But I'm really happy that I'm doing ACCA.
Great, great. So do you also want to go to Australia?
Sometimes, sir, but sir, I love my family.
Oh, wow, great.
That's so I want to stay.
Fine, great. So definitely, I would try to be on your expectations. So thank you,
Yes.
Jamima, Mary, Matthew.
Yeah, hi sir.
Hi, Jamima.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, but you are not visible.
Yeah. Yeah. So
can you make yourself visible if you are ready?
Not really. Maybe
you will
next
also
class.
do it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Fine. So tomorrow everyone has to be visible on the screen. I will take a screenshot and put it on Facebook. Oh yeah, Facebook se yaad aaya. You can please be my friend on Facebook. You are most welcome to be that. Okay. So everyone, I will request everyone to send one friend request, because so many friend requests I cannot send. You all have to send only one, right? Otherwise I would have sent you a friend request. Anyway, Jamima, please tell us what
Hi,
you want
sir.
to be.
I obviously ACCA. There's some reason to joining this, and
no, it is not so obvious, Jamima. It is really not so obvious, because most of the class, they do not want to be ACCA.
Oh.
Actually, they wanted to do BCom and they were having good marks, but they wanted to do this BCom honors degree. But at the same time, this ACCA to chipak gaya, wo wali baat ho gayi.
So it's like an obligation to them.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm from Kerala.
Okay.
And yeah, I did my studies in Qatar, Middle East. So everything is new, like studying in Rajasthan, everything is different. And and my outlook to this is, I don't know exactly about how the future is gonna be because of all these things. So if I have a chance for future, I think maybe a secure job and good pay.
I don't know why, but my daughter has come to meet you. She was here for the rest of the time too, but she just came just now to just say hi to you.
Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Bolo. What's your name?
What's your name?
What is your name, beta?
Gursheen.
Gursheen Kaur.
My
Chalo,
name is
let Papa
Jemima.
teach now. Huh? चल, bye.
अपन मेरे को अपना बाहर से बैग लेना है.
तो अपनी अब बाहर जाना है तो अंदर नहीं आना, ठीक है? नहीं, फिर इधर ही बैठ. Yeah, Jamima. So, what is your expectation out of this class?
Class, corporate law will be how things are. There are some instructions or like and rules and all to be followed everywhere. So
You're very correct. There are some procedures. These procedures are required to be learned, and then only you can be successful in the corporate world, as many of you wanted to join corporate world. So these are the basic laws. Corporate laws are the basic law of the corporate world. The laws which you have studied in the previous class is not a law of the corporate world. These were the law of the general public, general world, right? Where anyone can do a business. You might have studied up to limited liability partnership, LLP. Up to LLP you have studied in your previous class. So from there only we will be starting further in order to enhance your knowledge in your corporate laws field, that how companies actually work. What is the unique things in the companies which make the companies unique, and how all these things happen, right? Yeah. So that will be the one thing which we'll be going to do. Yeah. Fine. Thank you, Jamima.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Kaushal, yeah, thank you. And same to you. Kaushal Agarwal.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, Arey, wow. Great. So you
sir,
have a charming face. You have made my day, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Glad to see you, my dear. So please introduce yourself. See, when you introduce one-to-one, you get a confidence. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Other people in your class are not as confident as you are, I suppose. Very good. Carry on. Carry on.
Sir, my name is Kaushal Agarwal and I am from Assam. And I want to do, I don't have a particular aim for what I want to become, but I'm searching for more new opportunities which come to my way. And as I'm not ever about the ACCA, but as I am in BCom Honors, I have to choose that ACCA. And now I'm targeting myself so that I can pursue ACCA and get a good job, and I earn a good name for myself.
Great, Kaushal. And as the name suggests, you have that Kaushal. You have that ability to achieve it, and my blessings are always with you, my dear, and you will be able to achieve it further. And I may be of any help for anyone, not only you, to anyone of your class, because I'm also a company secretary. So definitely will be of immense help to all of you in one or the other ways. So please tell me, even any personal, any professional help you want from my side, I will always be with you, right? So thank you, sir, Kaushal, to be online coming over here. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. Lakshya. Lakshya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lakshya. So please tell us about yourself. क्या कर रहे हो? Sorry? अच्छा, ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो? ओके. चलो कोई बात नहीं, क्लास सुनते भी रहो साथ में और ड्राइव करते रहो, लेकिन बी सेफ. ओके, सेफली ड्राइव करना. तो हम आपसे थोड़ी देर में मिलते हैं. when you will be stopping, just ping us that you are available, then we will take the introduction. Fine. So no problem. So Meghna Dhuria. मेघना नहीं है. नव्या सिंह.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
So my name is Navya Singh, and my father is working in SpiceJet Airlines at Regional Manager North, and I want to do MBA in finance.
Okay, so you should have gone for BBA then. Why this BCom plus ACCA, so tough course? You should have enjoyed like anything doing BBA, नहीं? ये 3 साल मजे करती ना. ये कहाँ है?
प्लान तो यही था, पर सबने फिर यही बोला कि बीकॉम करने से जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ जाती हैं, एज पर बीबीए करने से अगर नहीं एमबीए करने का मन चेंज हो गया तो फिर क्या करोगी?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। बीबीए करने के बाद में भी आप वो सब कर सकते हो जो बीकॉम करने के बाद में कर सकते हो, और बीकॉम करने के बाद में भी वो सब कर सकते हो जो बीबीए करने के बाद कर सकते हो। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये सारी इट इज जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. So anyways, no problem. What are your expectations out of this class?
Sir, actually, I want to know more about laws, as my father is in SpiceJet, so I usually read their policy and terms. So I just want to know how this all works and what can I do for him, as I usually see your income tax and stuff. So that's
Okay, so you want to know how the corporate works.
Yes, sir.
Great, very good. Chali, thank you. So Pritam Milan Lashkar.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, Pritam. Pritam, your name is so sweet, yaar.
Thank you, sir. Actually, thank you to my parents.
Yeah, why not? And you should be proud of that. Pritam is lovable, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are really lovable, my dear. So please tell us about yourself.
Sir, I'm from Assam. My father is a government doctor in a government of Assam. And sir, after my BCom honors, I would like to pursue MS in business, international business in Europe. And sir, my goal in life is to come up with a startup to help small businesses grow in the less fortunate countries like the Asia and the Africa.
Okay, great. So what are your expectations out of this class?
Sir, actually, I haven't really seen the course enough, but like I want this class to be a research base where we can explore unknown topics and themes.
Oh wow, great. So would you be able to do that research based level if I deliver it at that level? Would you be able to? But what about others? Okay,
yes,
anyway.
Sir. I'll try my best, sir.
What I will do is I will try to fulfill your expectations, maybe personally.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll try my best.
Yeah. But you need to work a lot on that.
Yes, sir.
So commitment is required from your side too, equally.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you will get
sir,
that.
Sir, I'd like to share one experience. Sir, coming to the research sector, right now I'm working for an NGO based in Cameroon, Africa. So for them, I'm already in the research field. I'm working as a digital marketing intern, where like I have to come up with creative things and more insights on how we can develop the lives of people in Africa. I'm already in this field.
Great. That's great of you. So we will discuss further about it. So I hope you have my number. We can talk offline also.
Yes, sir.
And let us see what can be done and how I will be able to help you out, how you will be able to help me out in certain projects which we may do together. Right?
All right, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Good. Thank you. Priyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, equally good name as that of Priyam. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
So please tell us about yourself.
Sir, I'm Priyanshi Sharma from Jaipur, and my father is a builder in Jaipur only.
Great.
And I'm looking forward to prepare myself for CAT exams.
Okay, so you want to pursue your MBA.
Yes, sir.
So you're very much focused, and all the best to you.
Thank
and
you
we
so
would
much.
like to see you in one of the IMs where you can flourish like anything, enter in the corporate field. But let me tell you one thing, Priyanshi, corporate world is full of stress.
Yes.
So all that you have to tackle, and there anything can happen.
Okay,
right?
sir.
So I hope we will be able to prepare you for all the things which you may face over there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Priyanshi.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Sambhav Garg.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Sambhav.
Sir, I'm from Delhi. मुझे
Great.
ऑडिटिंग पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने ACCA लिया.
वेरी गुड. और संभव है तो सब कुछ संभव है.
Yes.
तो अच्छा है तुमने ACCA लिया. You will be able to do it.
सर इंडिया से बाहर जाना था इसलिए ACCA लिया. इंडिया में रहना होता तो CA कर लेते.
Very good, very good. You are very much focused. कहाँ जाना चाहते हो?
Hopefully Middle East या उस साइड.
Middle East में कुछ नहीं रखा भैया. Go to Canada or US. Target that, or otherwise Australia. We will talk about this also afterwards. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your expectation out of this class?
सर जितनी क्लास प्रैक्टिकल रह सके, जैसे रिसर्च हो गए, जितना डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज हो गए, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट थ्योरी क्योंकि लॉ थ्योरी बड़े कोई समझ नहीं सकता, जब तक उसको प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाई ना करो रियल वर्ल्ड में उसका कोई सेंस नहीं बनता।
वेरी करेक्ट।
और लॉ तो ग्रोइंग फील्ड है, जैसे सब जानते ही हैं। लॉ फॉलो नहीं हुआ तो कंपनी कोर्ट जाके बंद होने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा।
सो मैं आपको ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करवाऊंगा, आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइजेज ऐसी दूंगा विच यू मे हैव टू फॉर्म डू इन ग्रुप्स, राइट? तो आप लोग जो है मेरे को लगता है अच्छा, तो आप और प्रीतम जो है मैं आपको एक ही ग्रुप में डाल के और देन वी विल बी डूइंग सर्टेन गुड थिंग्स। ओके
सर,
चलो फाइन, थैंक यू। समृद्धि त्रिपाठी।
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Samriddhi.
So my name is Samriddhi. My father's name is Mr. Rakesh Tripathi. He is a businessman. He has business of transportation of coal and bauxite.
Okay.
And I want to be a businesswoman, and my goal in life is to be a server. And for that, I am still searching for opportunities to go. And my expectation from this course is to know more about auditing, more precisely, and I want it to be more interestingly. I want it to be more interesting to study.
Fine. So you also want to go for in-depth study rather than just studying it only from the point of view of passing it out.
I want to be interesting more than just learning like theory part and just inhaling.
Good.
I want it interesting class, and so that I can learn more bit.
Excellent. Great. So would try to just be on your expectation, right? And let us see. You have to tell that whether I am on my path or not. Okay. Fine. So Sanya Kanwar. Thank you, Samriddhi. Sanya. Sanya.
Hello.
Yeah, Sanya.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Oh wow, great, excellent. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Sanya. So when you are in front of camera, you feel confident, don't you?
So I just like face-to-face conversations.
Oh, great.
Better that
Because
way.
yeah, because it's something in which you can read the expressions also.
Yes, sir.
Great. So please tell me about yourself, Sanya.
So currently I have given one of big exams that Indian institutes have. I have given my ACET, and I'm trying to pursue actuarial science.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just recently cleared my ACET before this whole COVID fiasco. So
Okay, congratulations. Great.
thank you so much, sir.
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Great. You have a bright future.
Thank you so much, sir. And my father actually is in the service sector. He's working for GE as a branch manager. And we recently shifted here. He has a touring job. So I've been here and there, places like Meghalaya, Jaipur, Odisha, mostly in India. And I think we just recently shifted here like 2 years ago.
Okay.
For because of his job and because of Manipal, we shifted here. And
so because of your studies, your father has shifted, is it so?
No, not really. I actually shifted my center of focus because of his job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So,
great. This is one of the good thing, when you adjust yourself according to the situations.
So you have to, because
then situations also adjust according to you.
Yes, sir.
So I hope Manipal is up to your expectations.
Oh, it is, surely.
Great to know that. Fine. So even wherever you want, if I can be of any help, please tell me. Right?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Thank you, Sanya.
Thank you so much.
So, Sarvansh Sinha.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Sarvansh, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Sarvansh.
Sir, I am from Faridabad.
Okay.
Sir, like लॉकडाउन से पहले मेरा प्लान था अकाउंटेंट का, पर ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन मैंने डिफरेंट फील्ड में ट्राई करा। तो अभी करेंटली तो डेटा एनालिसिस और विजुअलाइजेशन में मतलब ट्राई करना है। प्लान तो अभी वही है.
Good. So you are a man of analytics. Great.
Yes. सर अभी इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा आया है.
तो अच्छी बात है, but I hope you are equally interested in law also.
Yes sir. So corporate world में सबको
Don't worry,
जाना तो जानना तो
I will create your interest. I can see because this is something theory paper है sir. Actually I will, this is इससे ज़्यादा practical कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Actually आप पता है आप लोगों का एक वो है कि भी what you think is that the things which are numerical which you can solve in the copy and book are practical. It is not like that. The real world is something different. Rather I will say that is a theory. That is a theory which you are doing only in the books. The real things are totally different from what you do in the books.
Yes sir.
So that is how the things works. Anyways, so we will talk about that and we will tell you about it, because I was also having the same belief in when I started, and when I took up CS as my final profession, then because I cleared my CS, I used to play up to intermediate during my graduation. At that time, intermediate used to happen. So CS, I used to clear all the 3 intermediates I completed within the graduation. Then afterwards, I took up CS only as my career. That was the reason why, because legal things are something which is more practical than anything else. Anyways.
Yes sir.
So thank you, Sarvansh, and what are your expectations?
Expectations like as I just said, so corporate world में तो सबको जाना है, तो rules and regulations सबको जानना ही होता है.
बिल्कुल.
और रिसर्च वर्क है तो देखते हैं प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कितना मिलता है.
ठीक है, सरवंश मेरे से फोन में बात कीजिएगा कभी भी फ्री होके, है ना?
या ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
या वेलकम. सारा खान.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir. Yeah, please tell about yourself.
So my name is Shara Khan and I'm from Lucknow.
Very good to see you.
And my father is a businessman and he's in real estate.
Good.
So after passing 12th, I gave a foundation CA exam. So I didn't clear it because of 4-5 numbers. And so I came to know more about ACCA. It has more scope than CA.
You are very correct. Very correct.
Yes, sir. So from childhood I was interested in CA. Like I from childhood I say कि मैं CA करना है, and then I gave the foundation. So my mama is a CA, so I watched him कि हाँ बहुत पैसे हैं.
पर CA के चेहरे पे या फिर कोई हीरे मोती तो लगे नहीं होते हैं, तो आपको क्या देख के मोटिवेशन मिला? उनकी लंबी चौड़ी गाड़ी वाड़ी देख के, जोरदार घर देख के?
पैसे, गाड़ी.
हाँ, ऐसे बोलो ना, वो मामा जी को देख के नहीं, पैसा गाड़ी देख के इंटरेस्ट हुआ. That's good. That's fair enough. No problem. But at the same time, one has to be very, very ethical in doing the businesses. That what Manipal also imbibes in its studies. That
yes, sir. That's why we are studying corporate law.
Yeah, of course. And I will tell you all the ethical aspects of the corporate laws also while you will be studying this. So definitely I will take you to different phases of how the laws have been manipulated and misinterpreted. So with the case laws we will be studying, as others have also said that we will be doing some research on it. So definitely research will.
Yes.
So I hope you would also like to have the same things.
Yes.
And even we can have some analytics also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Sarah, thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So Shreya the CR, and here she comes. Come on, Shreya. You're not there? Okay, Shubham Singh. Shubham is also not there. Vanshika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vanshika, please tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am from Mumbai.
Okay.
And my dad works currently in Adani company, and he's the head of engineering in Lucknow Airport.
Excellent.
So we shifted to Lucknow right now.
Okay. So whenever I have to fly to Lucknow, I will tell you.
Yeah, sure.
Fine. So what is your expectation out of this class and what you want to do in your future?
I want to do ACCA and I want to go in the corporate world and I want to experience that, and then after some years I'll actually leave it and start something of my own.
Great, great, great. That's very good. So just in order to take some experience from the actual corporate world, and then you will be going for some entrepreneurship or so, that will be a very good idea. And
Yes, sir.
my best wishes are with you, Vanshika, and I hope you will be able to. And why you want to, what are your expectations out of this class of corporate laws?
I want to know the procedures and all the rules which are followed in the company, and just to like, I need the knowledge also. If I start up my own something, then even I will require it.
Very good, very good. Definitely, we'll try to be up to your expectations. Fine. Thank you, Vanshika.
Yes, sir. Thank
last
you, sir.
is, yeah, most welcome. Last is Vatsal Rastogi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Vatsal is another meaning of love. So you are lovely, my dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So my name is Vatsal Rastogi and I am from Uttar Pradesh.
पर Vatsal बेटा माँ का प्यार होता है, पता है ना?
What, sir?
It's mother's love.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So you are great, rather. So come on. Yeah, you are from where?
Thank you, sir. So I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
And my father is a businessman. Sir, in future I want to do a job after ACCA. But eventually, I want to do my own business.
Okay, why not in India? Modi ji is doing Atmanirbhar and all what that, yeah. But why you do not want to be in India and you want to go over there?
Sir, I want to be in India.
Okay, fine.
And sir, I expect that I will be able to learn about more rules and regulations in which companies work.
Okay, great. So you want to be acquainted of all the skills of knowing the rules and regulations, how the corporate works and all that. So we'll try to be on your expectations. So again, Shreya is again back. I think some problem. So Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Please come. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Wow, great. I was on. I thought you will be coming like this.
Like this. Oh God.
The DP was like that only.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Most welcome. And you are one of the, I think, key persons of your class who is there for forming the group. And I think you are a CR of the class also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's great. So you are a leader. You're a leader of your class.
Yes,
Great
sir.
to have you. And leaders always come at the end. हीरो की एंड में होती है. So चलिए बताइए आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा.
Sir, I am from Kerala.
Okay.
My father works as an accountant in Dubai.
One more girl was from Kerala.
Yes.
Who is that?
Jemima.
Jamima. Yes. Yeah. So both of you are friends.
Yes, sir.
You become friends after coming over here, or were friends from there only?
No, after coming there only.
Okay. Fine. So yeah. So what are your expectations out of this class of this corporate laws, and what you want to do in your life? Both the things.
Sir,
how do you co-interact both these things together?
Oh, I personally. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Personally, I want to be a good human being.
Excellent. Wow, that's what you are. You already are.
Yes, sir. And with the knowledge which I acquire from the studies which I study more and more, so that I can help or serve the people here. And in the corporate world, by knowing the rights, the procedures, rules and regulations, so that I can help the people who are facing problems in today's world.
Fine. Very good. So you will be you are having an interaction of both the things. your personal and professional. So you want to help people. That is your personal goal with the profession which you are having. Excellent. And that what is a integration of the things which you have. So what are your expectations from this class of corporate laws?
The expectations is simple, sir. Want to know all the procedures, regulations, so that I can work on my career in a successful way.
Okay, great.
Yes,
fine, fair enough. So definitely would you have some something like me only. So तो पापा पढ़ा लें अब बेटा लग जाएगी आप जहाँ खड़े हो ना लग जाएगी मुझे उतर जाओ नीचे उतर जाओ लग जाएगी हाँ so thank you Shreya. So let us just see I have one your course pack to show you off. So let me just introduce you with because this is the target of today's work. I hope you are able to see my this Word file. Don't touch.
No, sir. Screen is not shared.
Okay, just a moment. Let me just share. I have not. I think forgot to press the share button. Okay, just a moment.
Hello, sir.
Oh, I think this is not. Just a moment. Yeah, this is the Word file. I hope it is visible now to all of you.
Sir, today is Vikram's birthday.
Yeah. So this is about your course pack. So, sorry. Yes. So see, if you see, let me just take you to the course itself. Yeah, this is your syllabus. A huge syllabus is there, and we have less classes because this paper should be of 4 credits rather, but it is of 3 credits only. So what I will do is, I think the main purpose is to just to you know take it up in the introductory way. So there are various things in which we may have to go in depth. And there are certain things which will be okay if we go to the introduction part, and there are some repetitions of the things also in your syllabus. So what I have done is I have just formed it in a way that nothing gets repeated, and you have all the things in this, and that too perfectly imbibed in your class of about 39 lectures. We may go to 42 also if needed. So there are some tests also in between, which we will be going with. Okay, so if you see, there is we will start with the legal personality, because what you have studied till now in your previous year was just an introduction of the business laws, that how the contract happens, how the negotiable instrument works, how the partnership works. अभी नहीं जाना, मैंने पहले बोला था ना. चलो बात. Just wait. Yeah. So sorry for the interruption. Kids are like that only. So then afterwards we will come to, because that law which you have studied, that actually I was telling you that actually gives you a base of dealing in a normal world, or you can say dealing with the sole proprietorship, or you can say the partnership, and that up to the limited liability partnership. So you might have studied the limited liability partnership is in between the company and the partnership. So what happens in limited liability partnership LLP is that you have all the goodies of both the laws, means both the partnership and the company. The good thing of a company is a limited liability, which you will see in the LLP, and besides that you can have the best things of the partnership too, so that you have already studied. So what happens if you want to exceed and you have to change your business structure? Actually, these are the organization structure where you start. You start with the tea stall, suppose for example, where you alone can do certain things, and you may have to go with certain things which may turn you to a CCD of the time. So where you cannot handle all the stalls, all the you can say shops at the same time, and but you have some niche in the market, you have some you can say the taste of the coffee which you have developed, and which is actually giving you an opportunity to expand your business. So when the expansion of business happens, then we look forward for change in the organizational structure, and there how we come from the sole proprietorship to partnership, and when we again have to increase, we come from partnership to LLP, and then after LLP the stage is the private limited company, and that the further stage is the public limited company. And then afterwards, public limited companies are also of two types. One is closely held, one is widely held. So again, when you have to go for IPOs, when your company is going to issue the shares in the market, then you go public. So that is how all these things happen. So one thing is very, very important over here, if you just note it down, is that the eyes of the law are on you since you have started your business, but the eyes will become more and more wider when you expand. Why? Because in expanded business, there are more chances of embellishments. You might have seen certain scams which have happened recently in the recent past in our country itself, starting from the Satyam scam, which has actually given a push to the Companies Act 2013, which has come only after that, because this scam happened in 2009 and 10. Which actually pushed the government to just come up with certain laws, and in hurry the government came up with certain laws, which is, and then again they come up with certain amendments and all that happened. So even the company law today itself is not that much stable. So we have to study all that things, these things while we will be doing it. So there are various ways in which prospectus can be issued. There are share capital. You have to go for allotment of the companies, means allotment of shares by the companies, and then the membership and borrowing powers are there. That to what extent the company can borrow, because company is having a limited liability. If it will borrow and run away, then who is responsible? No one. So there are certain restrictions. It is not that much easy to have a limited liability, right? As the company, one of the feature of the company is a limited liability one. So you can means these all things doesn't happen like just like that. So there are certain provisions regarding prevention of mismanagement and operation by the company. Now again there is a role of company secretary. There are the role of key managerial persons, KMPs. So there are appointments, there are rights, duties are there, and finally we have to wind up the company. And what are the process of winding up the company, along with the company meetings, and how it happens, how the company meetings happen, how the companies actually take the decisions with the help of the meetings, what are the requisites of the these valid meetings, how the resolutions are passed, right? So these all things are there, and there are various types of companies like public companies, the small companies, subsidiary companies. So how these are taken up. Now there is again a provision of buyback of shares. So buyback of shares is allowed, but to what extent it is allowed, again there is a big question mark on that. So this is in this way we will be learning and coming up with certain good things which are very, very essential for you to learn, in order to at least have a basic knowledge that whenever you go to any corporate, you must be able to understand that how the company actually works, which I have now got the idea that most of you want to learn that how the company works, except some people, those who want to go in depth in a certain, because this entire syllabus, even each and every topic is an in-depth one. So again, you have to see whether to what extent you have to go in deep in that particular. So by this, I will just end this session, because we are already exceeded by 3 minutes or so. Right, so this entire syllabus is divided into the classes, which is given over here, and most important is your assessment. Now the assessment, which is I think there is a correction to be done over here. The assessment over here, this will be of I think 20 marks, and this will be of 40 marks, I suppose. Is it so? Am I correct, Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me just give you one very good opportunity, actually these 20 marks, this sessional 1 exam is of 20 marks, sessional 2 is of 20 marks. Now this internal quiz assignment and all this activity feedback are again of 20 marks. So normally these 20 marks are in the hand of the teacher who is teaching you. Let me give this 20 marks in your hand. You tell me how you want me to evaluate. What is the percentage of quiz you want to make? What is the percentage of assignments and all? You please give me that that thing approved by your class. Shreya, I hope you have prepared the group also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in that group you can have a discussion, because that group do not add any other teacher. Right, I will be exclusively be in that group. So such type of discussion can happen in that group. Otherwise, those teachers will also be objecting that, okay, what Pava sir is doing. Okay, he is just giving the liberty to the students for deciding their marks. But this is my style of doing. I just go democratic, because it's you whom I have to evaluate, and it's you who has to get evaluated. So you tell me how should I evaluate you. Okay, so this is one of the criteria which I would like you to develop for yourself, so that nobody, everyone gets means everyone is satisfied with it. Okay, so that is the thing. So the pedagogy will be, I may be taking some quizzes in between. So quiz will also happen on your this Teams itself. So I will fix up some time at which the quiz will start, and you have to do that quiz. Don't worry if you miss some quizzes, but do not try to miss more than your attendance is 75%. Na? So 75% quizzes at least you must attend. Okay, 1 or 2 you may skip. So what I will do is I will just take best out of certain, suppose 10 quizzes I take. So I will take 70 best 7 out of those and will mark the averages. I hope that will be okay with all of you, and we can discuss these things even offline also, and we'll come up with a suggestion that how these 20 marks, how you want me to evaluate these 20 marks for you. So that is all from my side. Anything you want to contribute, you are most welcome for that. Yeah, anyone wants to say anything? But for saying anything, you have to come with your video. Yeah, any suggestion from anyone? Or if you want to suggest it on group, you can. So please be active on the group.
So
right? Yeah, Priyanshi.
So it's not, sir, not a suggestion, just a general
Priyanshi,
question.
you have to come with your video.
Sir, it's Anya.
Okay, no problem. Carry on.
My question was, which book are we supposed to refer for this course?
There are n number of books, but have you gone through my PPTs which I have shared with you?
Not yet, sir. On Teams?
There are the PPTs on this Teams only. On Teams, I have shared one PPT. That one PPT is of I think 360 slides, which will cover only I think 2 months of your course. So I don't think you need anything else. Still, if you need, what I will do is I will forward the module of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India to you. I think nothing can be as authentic as that module will be.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
thank you.
So that will be one of the things. Yeah, very good thing you have asked, Priyanshi. Yeah, anyone else? Anything else you want to? So, should I just end the class with thanks to all of you for coming in a very good number in this very first class of mine of this corporate laws. So now I'm signing off. It is now we are now going to switch the this training also. Sorry, this recording also I'm putting off. Right. So thank you for being over here. Thank you.
Thank you.